Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in BitMart. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. Open BitMart. Okay, so over here tap on buy and sell option and then tap on third party payment. We are not going to use P2P trading because BitMart don't offer many traders who offer like Bitcoin, so that is useless if you are using P2P trading to buy Bitcoin. Simply tap on third party payment. Over here you have to select the currency in which you want to pay to get Bitcoin. So there are many currencies. You just have to select after selecting the currency. In the receive section, tap on USDT and then select BTC because we are going to buy Bitcoin. Write down the amount. So let's suppose I want to buy Bitcoin of $5,000. Then after writing down the amount, you will see that I will receive almost 0.04 Bitcoin. Then tap on buy BTC, and once we tap on buy BTC, we are going to see many payment methods through which we can pay in order to get Bitcoin. So the first option, which is the most recommended and the best price, is MoonPay and Venmo. So tap on next over here and then agree to their user agreement and then tap on next. Now this page will open up. You have to wait for a few seconds. So currently this third party payment option is currently not available in my country, but if it is available in your country, you can buy by simply giving the details of your credit card. You just have to select the payment method. The first one is Venmo, second is Google, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, any one method you have to choose. After that you have to give the details of your payment method, and after that you have to confirm your transaction, and after that you will receive the confirmation email that you have successfully received the Bitcoin in your BitMart account. Now if you have Bitcoin in another exchange or another wallet and you want to deposit it to BitMart, so you have to choose deposit for that and then search for BTC. After that tap on BTC and select the network. So here I will use BTC network. Mostly people use BTC network. Tap on confirm and then we will see this kind of interface where we have to copy this deposit address by tapping on copy. After that open that particular exchange or the wallet which have your Bitcoin in it. So in this case I will use Binance, and then after opening Binance, tap on wallets on the bottom right corner and then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw, and in the search coin search for BTC and tap on BTC and choose the first option, which is send via crypto network. Paste that address over here which we copied from BitMart, and as you can see it automatically detected our Bitcoin network, which is Bitcoin. Now write down the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer from Binance to BitMart. After writing down the amount, tap on withdraw and then confirm your transaction, and after a few moments you will see BTC on the BitMart, and that's how you can easily transfer or buy Bitcoin in your BitMart. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.